Every meeting you're in is a potential social media post. Most people simply forget to make use of it. Here's how to turn your meeting transcripts into a LinkedIn post. I'm Marvin Aziz, Head of Community at Lindy, and we're about to take our meeting note taker and turn it into a content machine. Your content is already happening. We're just going to automate repurposing it. So let's jump. Now, this is going to be a super simple build, actually. I'm going to use one of my existing meeting note takers here and repurpose that. But if you don't have one yet, don't freak out. Simply go and build a new agent using one of our templates. We've got a meeting note taker right here you can use for that as well. Same principles apply, right? So what happens here basically is, well, we have a calendar event. If the calendar event includes a virtual link, we are going to record that meeting and do something with that recording, right? Inside of this record meeting step is going to be the transcript of the meeting as well. So we are simply going to ignore everything that's underneath here. And we want to use delegation in order to delegate all of the information necessary to our LinkedIn post writing agent, right? So I'm going to go to this connection right here. I'm going to click on add step, and then I'm going to perform an action. I'm looking for the actions inside of by Lindy, and I want to choose talk with other agents, send the message. And just like that, I'm able to delegate the meeting transcript to another agent. Now I've got the Build Club LinkedIn writer prepared right here, and I can use this to send a message to my agent. In order for this to work, it's critical that you already have an agent set up. Here's the basic one we built in one of the other videos. The only thing I changed here was I added this step right here. Let me remove that and add it back in. So we want to add a trigger. Then again, I click on by Lindy, and we want to receive a message by another agent, right? So that's what I'm going to choose. I'm going to connect it to my LinkedIn writing agent. Cool. And just like that, you should be able to find this agent inside of the other one, which is delegating to this one, right? Now, here comes the important step, which is the delegation handoff part, right? Inside of the text field right here, what you can do is you can choose prompt AI. And what I'm going to do as well is I'm actually going to select the transcript of the meeting and add a prompt to it. Send a message to my LinkedIn ghostwriting agent who's supposed to write a LinkedIn post based on the meeting transcript we just had, include the full transcript, as well as some ideas for LinkedIn post angles we could use. Boom. And just like that, I have a delegation step inside of my meeting note taker, and I'm going to rename this, send message to ghostwriter. And the rest we can leave as is, right? We're still recording the meeting and doing all of the steps below, but now our ghostwriting agent will actually receive the message, go into the agent step and come up with a post idea. And next we have a append row, which is basically appending a row to our content. There we go. Okay, got this. Cool. So anytime you have a meeting now, your meeting note taker is going to send the message to our LinkedIn post writer, and this post writer is going to take that transcript and try to turn it into a LinkedIn post based on whatever you discussed inside a meeting. So nothing ever will get lost.